ungabe ungubani igama lakho?
From Motherwell. Namhlanje singahamba namhlanje.
Oh, so nguwe usingaye. All right. So buti man sicela uxolo about isehleko esiyakohleleyo and yeah silapha nje sizovisisana nawe man ithi hayi noma kuqhubeke kube mnandi because sisonke mosikulo msebenzi yayiba ke ngoku. So man buti kasixelele nje i-experience yakho ngolusuku la namhlanje uziva njani?
So far so good. Honestly, so far so good.
Sure.
I'm enjoying the good music. Whenever I chop this up, it's a nami.
Sure.
Ngento akhandi plan nami vele yathi ngisho ngoku sisilapha ngoku. Yabona ba hayi siyazama happy man ngeba nami khona ngeke set belele yabona after yokwenzekileyo so silapha man futhi man.
We man futhi ne. And as far as I understand, there are other venues ezenza lo msitho as well. So ufuna ukuthini mani kubo abafowethu nabafokazi abakukhuthazayo kulo mcimbi?
No, ngibona into akhandicingele khulumani yami nje into bana ijob izami ndihamba nazo ngendlela yemusic kandilindele uba izinto zaphuma kwashow.
Sure buti.
Now that abantu basacrifice a lot for kule nto sikuyo ngoku for unsupporta bazakuxola apho uqala khona and all that because bakhona nabanye abenza same ngohlobo siza ngalo but basupporta nabo bafaka isandla ndiyabona kakhulu ngoba kandilindele
No.
kandilindele serious
Buti siyabulela mntasekhaya siyabulela buti. Isilungu sithi an injury to one is an injury to all. So sisonke sizovuyisana nawe sizokuphakamisa ngolhlobo buti so that uyazi ukuthi awuwedwa kulento sibaninzi sinawe emva kwakho phambi kwakho ecaleni kwakho ngaphezulu nangaphansi kwakho. Sikunqungile buti. Otherwise siyabulela kakhulu ngamazwi ombulelo bhuti wami man. Enkosi kakhulu yanga inkosi ingakubusisa more and more. Danko. So ake babukeli nabalandeli, this is it for tonight. Siyabulela kakhulu ngosingaye ke lo sigqibo hlukana naye uvuyo, and by the way he's a drummer. He is also a keyboardist. Ayijonga multi-talented. Danko, siyabulela bhuti. Sinani?